Hey guys, Ashley here, and welcome back for a brand new video. And welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But anywho, today we are going to be, as you can see, cleaning up my kitchen, and then we'll be cleaning up my kitchenette area quickly and tidying up my bedroom. So if you need some motivation to clean your kitchen or your bedroom or any room in your house, this is the video for you and or the channel. We have plenty of deep cleans, extreme cleans, whatever you need, we got. So the reason why I'm saying we is because I do share this channel with my twin sister, Courtney. So you get two different houses on one channel, guys. So if you need double the motivation or just some different type of housing of cleaning, definitely subscribe if you are new. So here's a quick overview. We're going to get started in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. Trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So now I'm going to get into hand washing these dishes. If you are new here, I have the left side of my sink for drying all the dishes, and obviously the right side is for dirty dishes. So let's get into hand washing all of these dishes, guys. So if you need some motivation to wash your dishes, how many times am I going to say dishes? So if you need some motivation to wash some dishes today, guys, right now is that moment for you. now I'll be wiping down the countertops.
I feel so strange thinking about you after all the wrong you've done to me. I can't go on feeling like I do, 'cause my heart loves you. Don't waste my time, 'cause someone like me you'll never find. I thought we had a good thing, I was wrong, and now I must move on, yeah. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. Baby, of you trying to play of you trying to play of you trying to play baby, of you trying to play of you trying to play of you trying to play to another love, one that I can trust. With my heart, I know she'll never run away. Just can't talk no more, so I'm out the door. Talk to me, why you wanna play that game? Baby, all the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. More of you trying to play more, of you trying to play more, of you trying to play more, baby. More of you trying to play more, of you trying to play more. Of you trying to play on, baby, 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 baby. Of you trying to play me out, baby.
So I finally moved on to the kitchenette area. Just going to tidy this up really quickly. I want to get this table put away so I can give it back to Courtney. I used it for Easter for the dessert table basically. And then underneath the fish tank, I organized that better because it's the, what is that, Tupperware? It is a little bit all over the place, so I wanted to tidy that up really quickly. Alrighty, so I have moved on to my bedroom now. Like I said earlier, it's just gonna be, just a tidy up, get everything back to where it needs to be and making it less decluttered on the nightstand, picking things up, stuff like that, your typical tidy cleaning of a bedroom.
Skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. Your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose.
I just wanted to quickly introduce myself for anybody that is new here and still hanging in towards the end of this video. Again, my name is Ashley. I'm 30 years old. I have a twin and her name's Courtney. We share the channel together. I've been with my significant other for 15 years. We have two beautiful sons, 11-year-old and a 1-year-old. I also have a dog. His name is Havoc. Right now in the video, you're probably seeing another dog. Her name's Astra. That's Courtney's dog. I am dog sitting for her while she's on a mini vacay. And then what else? I think that's about it really, guys. But if you have any questions for me, let me know down below. Also, there's easy links to our Instagram, an easy link to my vlog channel. So if you guys want to check that out, all you have to do is go to the description box. And yeah, so let's finish tidying up this bedroom, guys. And then once I'm done with my room and I'm vacuuming, that will be the end of the video. So we only have a couple minutes left. I do hope you enjoyed this video, but I'm done chit-chatting. Let's finish.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. boulevard where we all come through. But don't let the money and the fame change you. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we own it. We know what's up. We own it. We know. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we own it. We know what's up. Ooh, we own it. We know what's up.